Hello children, welcome to our YouTube channel AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the mathematics mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about chapter number 5, exercise 5.3. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by using completing the square method. Completing the square method. So here the given quadratic equation is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. So as we have discussed in the previous video, x square coefficient must be 1 only. But here we have x square coefficient, how much children here? We have x square coefficient is 2, right? So what we need to do? We need to divide it by 2. Yes? So step 1, minus 4 you transpose, that is 2x square plus x equal to minus 4 if you transpose plus 4, that is step 1. So similarly we will do simultaneously second question also, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 you transpose, it will become minus 3, that is step 1. Now second step is x square coefficient must be 1 only, but here x square coefficient is 2, but whereas x square coefficient is 4 over here. So what we have to do? Here we need to divide it by 2, 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 equal to 4 by 2. What about here? We need to divide it by 4, 4x square by 4 plus 4 root 3x by 4 equal to minus 3 by 4. That is our second step. Okay. Now let us cancel 2, 2. You will get x square plus x by 2 equal to 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. That implies 2. Here also you cancel 4 4. Here also 4 4. So x square plus root 3x equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay. If you see here, which is in the form of a square plus 2ab. Here also which is in the form of a square plus 2ab. So students, we know that the formula of a plus b whole square is, what is the formula of a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now which is in the form of only a square plus 2ab. See here a in the sense I can write as x whole square plus, we have x by 2. How can I write as x by 2? X by 2, as per our convenience, I can write as 2, as the value of a is x. And what about the value of b, children? As the value of b is 1 by 4. Why? Because if I cancel 2 table, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 1 into x, x into 1 x, by 2 I'll get. Okay students? So x by 2 we can write as 2 into, as the value of a is x and the value of b is what? 1 by 4. If I cancel 2 table, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, again we will get x by 2 only. Right? Now which is a square plus 2ab. A square plus 2ab. So what we need to do? We need to add b square. At the same time we need to subtract b square. Right? So here what is the value of b, children? As the value of b is, 1 by 4. The value of b is 1 by 4. So I need to add 1 by 4 whole square. At the same time I need to subtract 1 by 4 whole square, that is equal to 2. Right? Now if you observe here, which is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, whose formula is a plus b whole square minus 1 square is nothing but 1 by 4 square is nothing but 16 equal to 2. Right? So x plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to minus 1 by 16 you transpose, it will become 1 by 16 plus 2. As nothing in the sense I can write as 1, x plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to LCM of 16 and 1 is 16. 16 1 just 16 into 1 into 1, 1 16 just 16 into 16 into 16. As 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 16 32. X plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to 1 plus 32, that implies 33. Square you transpose x plus 1 by 4 equal to root over 33 by 16. Okay, students, we know that what is the root over 30. We have the formula root over a by b. We can write as root a by root b. I mean root over 33 by 16. We can write as root 33 by root 16. That implies root 33 by, as the value of root 16 is 4. So I can write as x plus 1 by 4 equal to plus or minus root 33 by 4. As the first case is x plus 1 by 4 equal to plus root 33 by 4, and the second case is x plus 1 by 4 equal to minus root 33 by 4. Okay, plus 1 by 4 you transpose, so x equal to root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4, and the second case is x equal to minus root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. They are the two roots of the quadratic equation by using square, completing the square method. Now coming to second question, children listen carefully, which is also in the form of a square plus 2ab only. Okay, let us make it as a square plus 2ab. Okay, now x square I can write as x whole square plus, I must write compulsory 2, and the value of a is x. Then what about the value of b? The value of b is root 3 by 2, children, because if I cancel this 2 and 2, again I will get root 3 into x, root 3x only. Now the value of b is what? Root 3 by 2. That we need to add root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to minus 3 by 4. Once we need to add, at the same time we need to subtract. So now which is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is nothing but a plus b whole square, minus root 3 means square root cancel 3, and 2 square is nothing but 4, equal to minus 3 by 4. So x plus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to minus 3 by 4. This minus 3 by 4 you transpose, it will become plus 3 by 4, right? So x plus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 gets cancelled. Okay, so square you transpose, it will become root x plus root 3 by 2 equal to square root of 0 is 0. I mean one is x plus root 3 by 2 equal to 0. Okay, second one also x plus root 3 by 2 equal to 0. So students, we cannot write as plus or minus 0, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. So plus root 3 by 2 you transpose, you will get minus root 3 by 2. Again plus root 3 by 2 you transpose, you will get minus root 3 by 2. Okay children, did you understand the value of x minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2? Yes, here you have to see this is a square plus 2ab formula. Then we need to add plus b square minus b square. Then this will become a plus b whole square formula. Okay children. Now coming to third question, 5x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. And the fourth question is x square plus 5 equal to minus 6x. So if you observe the fourth question, is it in standard form? Are the degrees are in descending order? No. What we need to do? We need to transpose x square minus 6x you transpose plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Right? Now, the step 1 is what we need to do? We need to transpose constant towards right hand side. Then this will become 5x square minus 7x plus 6 you transpose. This will become minus 6. Right? Now x square coefficient is 5 over here. So we need to divide it by 5. Divided by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5. 5 cancel. X square minus 7x by 5 equal to minus 6 by 5. Coming to fourth question also, transpose plus 5 towards right hand side, you will get x square plus 6x equal to minus 5. As here no need of dividing by anything because x square coefficient is 1 only. So no issue at all, right? Now which is in the form of a square minus 2ab, because we have sign here minus. So x square I can write as x whole square minus, I need to write compulsory 2, and a value is x. What about b value, children? As we have 7 here, let us write 7 by 10. Why I wrote b value as 7 by 10, children? So if I cancel in two table, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja, again 7 into x, 7x by 5 only I'll get. Okay, you have to see, you need to think it, what is the value of b. So whatever you are doing manipulation, no, it should not affect to the previous step. So now the value of b is 7 by 10. I have to add 1 7 by 10 whole square. At the same time I need to subtract 7 by 10 whole square equal to minus 6 by 5. Now coming to this question, x square I can write as x whole square, a square plus 6z, I mean plus 2a. 2 into, I should write compulsory 2 as the value of a is x. 2 how much are 6, children? 2 3 is 6, right? So now this is 2ab as the value of b is 3 here. Now I have to add 3 square once. At the same time I should subtract 3 square equal to minus 5. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is the formula of a minus b whole square, minus 7 square 49, 10 square 100 equal to minus 6 by 5. Now x minus 7 by 10 whole square equal to minus 49 by 10 transpose minus 6 by 5 plus 49 by 100. X minus 7 by 10 whole square equal to, as LCM is 100, by 20 is 100 into 20 into 20. 100 1 is 100 into 1 into 1. 6 into 20, 6 20 is 120 plus 49. X minus 7 by 10 whole square equal to minus 120 plus 49. That is equal to minus 89, right? 120 minus 49. 10 minus 9, 1. 11 minus 4, 7. So sorry children, which is 71. Which is minus 71 by 100. Square you transpose, children. If you transpose square towards right hand side, it will become root over minus 71 by 100. Right? So x minus 7 by 10 equal to, okay, this I can write as root over minus 71 by root 100 is nothing but to 10. That is plus or minus. So one is x minus 7 by 10 equal to plus minus 71 by 10. Second one is x minus 7 by 10 equal to minus root 71 by 10. Minus 7 by 10 you transpose, it will become 7 by 10 plus root minus 71 by 10. Again minus 7 by 10 you transpose, 7 by 10 minus root minus 71 by 10. They are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Now coming to question number 4. This I can write as a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is the formula of a plus b whole square minus 3 square 9 equal to minus 5. Minus 9 you transpose, children, it will become plus 9 minus 5 plus 9. Minus 5 plus 9, that implies 4. Square you transpose, root. X plus 3 equal to root over 4 is nothing but plus or minus 2. So one root is plus 2 and another root is minus 2. So plus 2 you transpose, 2 minus 3 plus 3 you transpose, minus 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. So what are the two roots of the quadratic equation? One is x equal to minus 1 and the second one is x equal to minus 5. Okay. Once if you practice, children, you will get this method easily. This method is called as completing the square method. Okay. I hope you understood the bit number 1. Don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends, children. Thank you.